What's up, TS fam?
Hey.
Back
Yep, we
with y'all
switched it
another
up
video.
for y'all.
Yep.
Because TS fam kind of sound better than TS crew because y'all are our family. Y'all are our fam diggity.
So we are back with y'all with another mukbang.
Whoa. Trey. It's, I don't know, it could be both because it's really a would you rather video, but we were hungry.
We got hungry.
So, food is here.
Yeah, food comes your way.
Food is here.
Right.
So it's a would you rather video, I guess, slash mukbang, and we have the famous Taco NAZO here. Taco NAZO. You only can get it down here in our area. Shout out to my daddy for putting us on, cause yes, this mess is bomb. I got 2 fish tacos and 1 shrimp taco plate.
I have to get a shrimp
I'm about to eat.
steak burrito. They gave me a free taco. And if it's your first time there, just tell them it's your first time there, and then they can hook you up with like a free taco just to try it out to see if you even like it. So make sure y'all do that. And we have to get something to drink as well. We made like a combo and stuff. Like she got some beans and chips with her combo. But yeah, for the would you rather video,
I got questions.
Yeah,
well,
for the
we
questions.
Both got questions, but
I picked 7 questions.
Both of us.
She picked 7 questions. But we're both gonna answer them. Yeah, we had to make it even because we didn't want to like look at the questions and then already kind of know what we're gonna think about it. So she picked 7, I picked 7, and she has one on her phone.
Okay, so I'm gonna read one and then you're gonna read one.
Okay.
Okay, let's get it. But before we get too far into the video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And please share. Like, it's so important to us right now. Like, please. And thank you all for the ones that are supporting us, still supporting us. And just
The day
bear
one,
with us,
the day one, folks.
Yeah. Okay, so the first one is, would you rather be able to teleport anywhere or to be able to read people's minds?
Oh, that is a good one. That's a good one. I think I'm gonna have to go with the read minds. Even though teleport anywhere sounds cool as heck, but reading minds is cool. Okay,
I feel like.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go with the read minds.
I feel like I would rather teleport because I don't really care about people's like. Well, I don't need to be reading their minds. Like that's gonna make me mad. Like reading, like if.
Right.
That's if they're thinking something bad or something that's gonna make me mad or whatever. But if it's like something positive, then I don't know. But I just don't care. I don't want to read nobody's minds. Like I'd rather teleport. Do me. Fly everywhere.
Do me.
Shoot.
I'ma do me.
Fly everywhere. I mean, you know what I mean.
Okay. Sounds cool though. Teleporting anywhere sounds very cool.
Yeah.
The next one is, would you rather know when you are going to die, or how are you going to die? So basically saying,
would you rather know
when
you're gonna die, or how you're gonna die?
Or how you're gonna die? Yeah. But you can't change nothing about it.
Man, that's hard.
It's gonna happen.
I would
you can't
say
change it. It's crazy.
How I'm going to die, because I don't want to know when I'm going to die. Like that's kind of scary. But
same.
Also, if you did know when you were going to die, then that means that you could do so much
to stop it, but it's
not to stop it. Like before you die.
Oh, I feel you, to get the stuff out the way that you want to do.
But I think I would rather. I'm gonna go with how I'm gonna die.
Okay, same though. That is a good little twist to that question though.
Okay, the next question is, this is a good one. Would you rather have an unlimited international first class ticket or never have to pay for food at a restaurant?
What was the beginning to the question?
I'm just going.
What was the beginning to the question? You said I have an international what?
Unlimited international first class ticket.
Oh, I'm never at the pay for food again.
Yeah.
At a restaurant at least.
I would never, yeah.
What?
I would do that because
Video's so big, can't open it. Yeah, that's good. Mind you guys, the questions are all random, so. Would you rather have an eliminate? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Would you rather swim 300 meters through shit, or would you have to swim 300 meters through dead bodies?
oh hell no.
First off,
Oh hell no.
I'm gonna have to go with the dead bodies.
Oh hell no. Oh my god, that's scary. I'm sorry. 300 meters through shit. I got.
I'm not trying to go to anybody else to do.
I'm sorry, but that's scary. Dead bodies.
They're dead though. They can't
That's
touch
scary.
you.
Oh my god. Heck no. Heck no. I don't even think about it. I'm sorry. Shit is nasty, but
Yeah.
dead bodies is scary. So I'd rather go with nasty than scary because I could just
But I
wipe that mess off.
think about it.
But think about it. I'm gonna be thinking
The
about
shit
me.
is wet though, cause it's like you're swimming through it.
Them dead bodies could be wet and stinky and
But-
rotting and all that bloody.
I feel like if anything, you're just gonna be kind of walking all over them. Cause I'm gonna get to the
They
top
said
and just
swimming, so obviously
swimming. Okay, you
it's
swimming.
gonna be something wet.
Not
I don't care.
necessarily.
I don't
though.
care. I say shit, cause I'm not swimming through no dead bodies. That's scary. I'd rather be in something nasty than something scary, and I can wash that mess off.
Okay.
But that dead bodies, I'm gonna be thinking about the dead bodies for the rest of my life.
Okay. I'm
Look
ready
at
to
the
press the go.
These napkins weak.
Mm.
Okay, so that was funny, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather take a vow of celibacy? That's how you say it? I've never actually seen it. I like always hear it, but never seen it. Would you rather take a vow of celibacy or take a vow of silence?
Celibacy, because I feel like my words are powerful. You know?
You feel that your words are powerful.
Yeah, I feel like everybody's words are powerful. Even though a vow of
I
silence.
feel like actions are way more powerful than words.
Exactly, that's why I'm taking a vow of
Like-
silence.
Well, no, because words are powerful. You know what? Yeah. I say celibacy. I don't want to be silent. That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
We just silent.
You
Yeah.
just
We can talk and kiss and stuff, right? I mean, celibacy don't have to be kissing. That's not celibacy. That's sex is celibacy, huh? Right? Like sexual orientation, any type of sexual orientation. So kissing, we can still kiss. Like
yeah.
that's what I'm thinking.
Funny stuff.
But I don't want to be sitting there silent. That's
Yeah,
weird. That's weird. Trying to dig into this.
Okay.
What the? You was
Just silent. Just.
you was still sitting there.
Okay, anywho, next question.
Johnny.
Would you rather be in a bad relationship for the rest of your life, or have no sexual intercourse for the rest of your life?
Well,
Would you rather be in a bad relationship
or
for the
no
rest of your life,
sex.
or no sex for the rest of your life?
No
I think no
sex.
sex now. I'm gonna go with that.
Why would I want to be in a bad
Exactly.
relationship? Well, that's out. I'll
A lot of
probably hurt
people-
myself or something.
Believe it or not, a lot of people don't have sex because like they're like paraplegic or certain cases that there's certain people that don't even have sex in their relationships. So I feel like if they can do it, we can do it. There you go.
And sex is not even like
Mm-hmm.
what makes the relationship to me. Like, so I can live without it. I'm going. Okay, so the next question is: would you rather have it with my best friend or with your best friend?
What do you mean?
Like,
I'm confused.
do it. Would you rather do it with my best friend or do it with your best friend?
Like a girl best friend? Like what? Wait, what is the question?
Would you rather do it with my best friend, whoever my best friend is, or would you rather do it with your best friend, whoever your best friend is?
I don't know.
You gotta answer that.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, say it.
My best friend. What, is that the wrong answer? No, I'm supposed to say like, I'm not supposed to like answer or some shit.
Isn't your best friend a guy?
That's what I'm saying. It has to be my girl best friend.
You don't have no girl best friend.
She's my girl best friend.
Oh. You
What
try
the
to
hell?
switch it up.
You are though, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, but still,
Exactly,
like,
exactly
playing.
though, exactly.
You're twisted.
No. But how about you?
My best friend.
Okay then.
I wasn't gonna do it with your best friend anyways. Like,
Exactly. I'm just like,
I
wait,
want
that's
your
a weird.
niggas. No, I'm fine.
But if anything, never mind.
What was you about to say?
I was thinking about your best friend. I'm like, your best friend
Something
is Chelsea.
out of line. You was about to say something out of line, huh?
No.
What was you about to say?
Because the only person I'm like, dang, I don't have a girl best friend, but you do have a girl best friend. So I'm like, what the heck? Like,
You gonna do with my girl best friend?
exactly, but no. I'm like,
What?
no. Well, you are my girl best friend, so I say I have to do it with my best friend. Because you are my best friend. I have a best friend. I consider you as my first best friend, if that makes sense.
Don't make no sense.
Like my main best friend. Okay,
Oh, shit.
it's all good. It's all good. Drop the phone, y'all. A little fumble. It's not going to make or break a team. By the way, football fans, more importantly, Cowboy fans.
Don't do that. I knew you was gonna. Don't do that.
Okay.
Do not do that.
All right. Next question. Would you rather run a profitable business or help the misfortunate?
Matter of fact, what was you gonna say? Cause I know
Cowboys
my
fan.
daddy and Greg gonna get on you, so it's okay. Go ahead.
Cowboys fan.
Take the heat.
Cowboys fans. Yes, it is preseason. But that doesn't take away from the fact that y'all lost. Okay?
Question.
Y'all was up at a point in time, which means y'all could have won.
Wait, but
But y'all
question.
lost.
Who do they play in preseason?
They play other teams. What are you talking about?
No, I'm saying who do the coaches put in like to play? Not they're good players, right? Because they want them to be
Okay,
for the season, right?
So it don't matter.
So who do they have playing is the question. I don't
If
know
they
who they have playing.
if they have some random rookies or some random 5-day contract
rookies?
people,
That's what they have playing? Okay.
but they still represent the organization.
Next. I'm just kidding.
It's the coaching staff. What are you talking about? Okay, we're about to go back to the would you rather.
We're not
Would
about
you-
to do this.
Would
right
you
now.
rather? That's for
another
another video,
episode.
another episode coming soon in sports. Would you rather run
You
a
said
profitable
run a
business or help the misfortunate?
Well, excuse me. Oh, never mind. The profitable businesses don't help the misfortune.
Most
the
of them.
unprofit. The unprofit. Yeah, the non-profit organizations help the misfortunate.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to be helping the misfortunate. What are you going to say?
I would run the business and then try to give back to the misfortunate.
Okay. I was
Because I wouldn't want to spend my.
I was thinking.
I wouldn't want to spend all my time helping others. If I could, I could. But at the same time, I would want to kind of want to start my own business just because I want to start my own business. But that's I don't know, that's some other stuff.
I'm sure you would. I'm not
But definitely, I would use my money to help the misfortunate ones. I feel like a lot of people aren't doing that. LeBron is
tell
though.
y'all about these things. They are so good.
I can never eat that. I would never just put that in my mouth. Like I would never eat that. That's crazy.
The way that they make them and season them, so good. Okay, next question. Oops, sorry. Would you rather wear Nike all day and night or Adidas?
Adidas, because Adidas have Yeezys.
Because they have Yeezys. You want Yeezys?
I'm just saying.
I say Nikes because Nike's got like, even though Adidas have a whole variety of shoes, Nike do too, and I like Nike shoes. I think I like Nike shoes better than I like Adidas shoes.
I feel like if I was
And
to wear
then, like-
Nike 24/7, I would get annoyed.
But I like Adidas like clothing. I like Nike shoes, but I like Adidas clothing. I like Nike clothing too, but Adidas more.
Okay, me, I like Nike clothing and shoes, but since Adidas have Yeezys, I gotta go with the Yeezys because it's like, sheesh.
I ain't tripping.
I ain't tripping.
I don't really
Kanye
care.
smoking
Okay.
off them pills.
Your turn.
Okay,
It's the top one.
actually, I said my bad. Would you rather eat different types of fruits or different types of chocolates?
Different types of fruits. I love fruit. Let me tell you.
I would go with fruit too, but every fruit, I couldn't eat every fruit. I couldn't eat every chocolate either, but I couldn't eat every fruit. But I would go with fruit. What?
I was gonna say I couldn't eat every fruit either, but like coconut.
Oh, that's true.
But they didn't say you have to eat all of them. They say different types.
True.
So do we get the pick?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather be a clown who distracts the bull or the cowboy who rides the bull? What? You came up with... Would you rather be a clown who distracts the bull or the bull who rides the bull?
No.
I mean the cowboy who rides the bull who rides.
A blooper.
That's a blooper. You want to answer that or no? Because I think that's stupid.
Okay, I would rather be the guy riding the bull, even though you can get hurt. I'm not about to be the clown.
I'm not about to be distracted. What the heck? I get my ran over, smacked. Okay.
Okay.
This boy crazy with that one. I
Would
want to eat
you-
the seeds because them seeds be hot.
You don't see it to be hot. Okay. Would you rather always wear earmuffs or a nose plug?
Earmuffs.
Earmuffs. Okay.
I'm not about to be walking around looking stupid.
Stupid. It's just stupid, but man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've only ate half of this burrito.
I ate 2 tacos or chili thing. It's burning my mouth.
It's only one half.
But it's still good though.
I thought I was hungry.
I was too.
I thought I was.
It said, would you rather listen to RJ or YG forever? Like for the rest of your life?
RJ, because he got better rhymes.
Mr. LA.
Yeah. That's funny. I think RJ is better than YG.
Especially with that album YG just came out with. I don't know, but I ain't digging it.
Nobody
Like,
is.
I used to like YG like that, but some of them songs are cool, but what the heck? I'm dying.
Drink some juice. You still eating it though. She's dying, but she's still eating it though. That's funny though.
I'm gonna eat a lime.
Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again?
You said eat the same meal?
For the rest of your life.
Do I get to choose which meal?
Of course.
Ooh, excuse me. Well, I'd rather eat the rest of the same meal for the rest of my life. Because I can get on Facebook or something if I need to see what people are doing or something. Instagram and social media ain't even all that.
So you gonna say you would rather quit Instagram forever, basically?
It ain't a job. You talking about Instagram ain't paying me?
I feel y'all do the same. I couldn't eat the same thing forever. I'm very indecisive as it is, and the same thing forever. Gonna have to be like Chick-fil-A. I need Chick-fil-A forever.
I put him on a Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, she did, which is funny
He was
because
about to lie through his teeth.
it's so funny because when Chick-fil-A first was like coming out and stuff, when I first heard about like Chick-fil-A a long time ago, y'all, I was like, what? Like, I tried it one time and I was like, this is so like okay. Unless it came back to Chick-fil-A like 2-3 years ago, like 3 years ago, like when we first met each other.
Chick-fil-A.
I was like, boys, man, I'm like, man, I'm like Chick-fil-A, man. I don't know, Chick-fil-A is fire. This Taco Nacho is fire though. Taco Nacho is definitely fire. But
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A, man, it's my favorite like fast food place ever. Even if I don't know. Anywho.
Bro.
And they food come out so fast. Okay.
And I'm dying. And they have great customer service.
A great customer.
Oh my god. His phone is dying.
Phone is dying. Okay, here you get. We're almost done. 2 more questions.
But Chick-fil-A has great customer service too. Like I've never went to a Chick-fil-A and they gave me bad service or they was rude to me.
I've never been to a dirty Chick-fil-A ever.
Yeah,
Like
that too. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Would you rather give up shopping for 6 months or give up emoji for 6 months? Like emojis, like texting emojis?
I know you pull out.
Boy, that's crazy. I'm sorry, somebody was calling me, but
Emojis.
that's retarded. I can give up emojis, like what?
But that means that you can't use the emojis for 6 months.
Boy, I
6
can
months.
tell you. I can tell
Yeah,
you
you
the
gotta
emoji.
shop.
I can say such and such face, like kissy face, or
Put it like write it in there.
You'll visualize what I'm saying. Like
That's hilarious. Okay, last one. We can read it together.
last
Alright.
one. Hold on.
A little bite. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Would you rather have to get up at dawn or stay up 3 a.m. every day?
And get up at dawn is what?
Like
5?
6, 5.
5:30, 5:30. Ooh.
I'd rather get up at dawn because
Every day?
yes, like I'm not a morning person, but like if I can schedule like
You really
my
gotta,
life to be getting up at dawn, like
Guys.
you can get a lot of stuff done. Like if you wake
That
up
is
early,
true.
you can get a lot of
You
stuff
can work
done.
out.
I don't wake up early because I
Don't.
can't wake up early, but I mean I'm not gonna say I
You
can't
saying
because
this,
I could,
it sound good.
but it's just like
You saying it.
boy. But anyways, like if you wake up early, you can get so much stuff done throughout the day. Like so, I would rather wake up at dawn every day than to stay woke till 3 a.m. because I get tired around like 9, 10.
9,
Like
10, yeah.
that's my sleeping hours. So I'm
No,
not about
but
to
we
stay.
don't go to sleep till like 12, 1 anyway.
Okay, but I still be sleepy though.
Sleepy, yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like, and if you sleep later, sometimes you just, I mean, if you up later, you sleep later. So, like, I feel like I can I can schedule myself to be in bed at a certain time so that I can wake up at dawn and still feel like well rested. So, yeah.
Oh, same
I'd
though.
rather
I
do that.
definitely feel the same way. I cannot stay up till 3, like every night. That was crazy. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video very much. We put a lot of time and effort into our videos. And
Yes, that's why. Okay, sorry for lagging on these videos. Our technology was like acting up, so we was having technical difficulties, so we couldn't upload any videos. But now we're back on it.
We're back on it. Be expecting videos from us.
And give us a lot of ideas of what you guys want to see from us, because we
here
here for y'all. Like, we want to show y'all what y'all here came for, you know.
If anybody out there,
and yes, there's anybody out there that
videos specifically about waving up, getting your waves right, I'm gonna be bringing out y'all fire very soon. And
I'm gonna just eat my beans and rice.
Okay,
but so just make sure that you guys are liking our videos, commenting, whether it's feedback, complimenting us, whatever. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Keep subscribing, y'all. Keep subscribing, and thank you for supporting us, and keep supporting us. Okay.
Bye.
So we gonna be out. All right.